Welcome back to Cooking with Rashee. Today we're turning simple leftover Rajma into crispy, delicious Rajma kebab wraps. This recipe is easy, filling, budget friendly, and such a smart way to reuse leftovers without feeling like you're eating the same meal again. These kebabs are packed with flavor, high in protein, and can be used in wraps, burgers, sandwiches, salads, or enjoyed on their own with some chutney and yogurt. So let's get cooking. Today I'm using leftover Rajma to make the kebabs. Since leftover Rajma already has so many spices and flavors cooked into it, it works perfectly for this recipe. First, we need to cook away all the extra liquid. This step is really important because if the mixture is too wet, the kebabs can break apart later. Keep cooking on medium heat and stir occasionally until the mixture becomes thick and dry. Lightly mash some of the beans while cooking as well. This helps bring everything together and bind the mixture later. Once all the liquid is gone, we'll add finely chopped onions, coriander, and mint. The fresh herbs add so much freshness and balance to the rich Rajma flavor. My Rajma already had enough spices, so I'm not adding extra seasoning, but you can always adjust to your taste with cumin powder, chaat masala, or garam masala. Next, we'll add breadcrumbs. You can also use besan or sattu instead. Add gradually because every Rajma mixture has a different amount of moisture. You can always add extra later. Mix everything really well until you get a dry mixture like this that easily holds its shape. Now we'll lightly oil our hands and start shaping the kebabs or patties. I'm air frying mine today for a lighter version, but you can pan fry, shallow fry, deep fry, or bake them in the oven. Lightly spray or brush them with oil before air frying so they don't dry out and they come out golden and crispy. Here our Rajma kebabs are perfectly cooked, as you can see, crispy outside, soft inside, and they held together beautifully. There's so many ways to now enjoy these, but today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious wrap. So grab a tortilla or roti and we'll spread some hummus on this. Then we'll add lettuce, Rajma kebabs, cheese, pickled onions, pickled jalapenos, tomatoes. Now we'll roll it up tightly. Place the wrap seam side down on the pan first so it seals properly. Toast until golden brown and slightly crispy from outside. And that's it. Our Rajma kebab wraps are ready. These are seriously so delicious, spicy, crispy, and super satisfying. They're perfect for lunch boxes, quick dinners, or even meal prep. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to Cooking with Rashee. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next recipe.